everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss in this video about establishing sugar boards in schools as per CBSE circular. The first big question is, aren't sugar boards just another rule, or is it going to create some impact on students? This is actually a step towards healthier dietary habits for children in schools. Now, what is the necessary? What is the purpose of sugar boards in schools? First is rising prevalence of type 2 diabetes all over. And next, to provide crucial information about healthy dietary choices, and also to make students empower to make informed decisions. They should take decisions after knowing or after being aware about what they are eating. And the next, finally, to promote healthier lifestyles for students themselves and also for their families. What data says 1 in 5 children are overweight or obese, and 30% of children exceed recommended sugar intake, and 1.5 million cases of type 2 diabetes are reported, and nobody knows what is the count that is not reported. What happens when we intake more sugar? That should be made aware to the children. There is an alarming increase in type 2 diabetes, and which is actually based on excessive sugar intake. And when this excessive sugar intake in long term will definitely result in more health issues in future. And then high sugar intake definitely will lead to obesity, heart diseases, and dental problems. Significantly, the students' health will be overall affected. Now, imparting education to the students about the dangers of high intake of sugar can empower them to make conscious and healthier dietary choices. The sugar board should have recommended sugar limits for children, which is not more than 10%, 10 gram in their daily caloric intake. And children should be encouraged to have more fruits and nuts and whole grains as nutritious alternatives. And also you can conduct workshops, seminars to educate children and parents about the danger of excessive sugar intake. And not only about sugar boards, the school can also arrange for more interactive workshop with doctors, dietitians, and health education seminars can be arranged. Even community challenges can be rolled on. So these are some of the activities as a part of healthy lifestyle, to promote healthy lifestyle of the students. What should be there on sugar boards? The sugar board should have risk of excessive sugar intake and recommended daily sugar intake, and also the student's favorite food and its sugar content should be mentioned over there, and health risk associated with high sugar consumption, and healthier dietary alternatives should also be there. I have given some 10 slogans which you can use for your sugar boards. This is going to be very useful. I have also added one sample sugar board here, which actually the students or children's favorite food are given, and what will be the sugar content of all these food is also mentioned here. The creativity is up to you, how you are going to put up, and it can include all these things whichever I said. And this display can be digital or static poster, which can be placed all around the school cafeterias. And one more important thing is, all the cafeterias or canteens of the school should follow this sugar, like less sugar food should be promoted in those cafeterias. But here is the catch: will it work? Only if schools don't take these boards as mere displays or check boxes to click a photograph and upload to CBSE, but as a conversation starters and learning tools, these sugar boards should be used. And thank you for joining this conversation, and let's make sure our schools don't just hang up another board, but actually live the message it carries. Then only the success of the program will be possible. So once again, thank you for watching, and subscribe if you have not done early, and click the bell icon to get more such kind of videos. Thank you so much.